Safety and proper operation are critical when using Chicago Pneumatic rivet busters. Let's walk through key practices that protect both the operator and the equipment. Every tool comes with a built-in safety device for installing and removing tool steels. First, always start by disconnecting the tool from the air supply and releasing any trapped air. You should never perform maintenance on a tool connected to air supply. Pay close attention to the dimensional differences between the tool steels. Always make sure the steel fits the tool properly. Using the wrong size can damage both the steel and the tool. During operation, never pull the trigger unless the tool steel is firmly against the workplace. Dry firing, pulling the trigger without contact, can seriously damage internal parts. To help protect the tool, Chicago Pneumatic rivet busters feature the patented Control Power System, or CPS, the only rivet busters on the market with this technology. The CPS system reduces downtime by preventing the tool from firing once the rubber bumper is worn beyond its recommended service limit. These tools are designed to break, not pry. Avoid using the tool to lever or lift concrete chunks. Prying can bend the steel, strain the tool unnecessarily, and damage the internal mechanics of the tool. When connecting to your air hose, always use a whip check safety cable. This feature helps secure the connection and protects against dangerous hose whipping if a fitting fails. Maintain an operating pressure of 90 psi. Running higher pressure doesn't add more power. It just causes unnecessary wear and potential damage to the tool. Air hoses also play a major role. Use clean hoses and make sure they're the right length and diameter to maintain airflow and maximize performance. Finally, inspect the upper and lower sleeves and rubber bumpers regularly. These parts absorb shock and their lifespan depends heavily on operating habits and ambient conditions. Skilled operation helps extend service life. In summary, match your steel correctly, secure your connections, avoid dry firing, maintain proper pressure, and check for wear. Safe habits lead to better results and longer tool life.